Hi guys, I know you are wondering what is happening here. Why am I all fully dressed like this and why are we here? All right, this is my kitchen, and like they say, kitchen is a place where wife and mothers express their love to their loved ones. So this is my own little paradise where I express love to myself. And guess what? We will be making some baked chicken. Oh my goodness. Anytime I hear the sound of chicken, I feel some butterfly in my tummy. I don't know about you, but I love chicken. Alright, so today I'll be taking you on my kitchen expedition. We will be making baked chicken, and I promise you guys, you will love it. And guess what? I have a friend who will be testing for me. Okay, so stick around as we cook our chicken. You agree with me that having a right or delicious dish all boils down to the recipe. Yes, either dried or fresh. You must be mindful of what you pick to prepare your dish. All right. So here I have my dried pepper, sea salt, curry powder, cinnamon, ginger, mixed spice, apple cider vinegar. I love this. Lemon juice, olive oil, and my hot sauce. And let's not forget the what should I say? The main dish, which is our chicken. Yeah, this is already defrozen, and then our foil paper. So let's start. So you have to wash your hands, ensure that they are clean before you touch your chicken, because you can't afford cooking with the dirty hands. So wash your hands properly, very well. Right, get those dirt off with a hot water. This is a quite warm a bit too, but this is better. Warm water, sorry. You can go cook. So this is my chicken. Try to just, because I just want them to dice it a bit so that when I put my spice, they can all get in. So first I'm gonna use my sea salt, just sprinkle on it. Yeah. Yeah. And pepper or my chili, depending on how you like them. But since it's baked, you're baking it, you need to add enough pepper, because sometimes when it gets heated like that, you might just lose lots of them. So just, yeah, be generous with it. Then I go in there with my curry. Ah, my God. I love the smell of curry. Honestly, I love the smell. Really nice. Okay. My cinnamon. Yeah. This is a good and healthy ingredient that every woman must have in their kitchen. Gotta have cinnamon. It's very, very good. It gives the chicken this nice scent. Oh, smells so nice. The aroma you get when you put goodness, it's out of this world. Then my ginger. Who don't love ginger? Well, I love ginger. Oops. I love ginger. This is dried ginger. Most of my recipe are dried because we are baking, so you don't can't afford to have fresh whatever. So yeah, be generous enough. When you are baking your chicken, don't forget it need a lot of ingredients. Your recipe, you have to put them lot there. Then this is my mixed spice. There you go. Just a little because most of what I've added I already in it. So oh, the smell is out of this world, guys. It's really out of this world. So there we go with our hot spice. I'll be coming with this hot spice soon, even when I put it in the oven. Don't forget to on your oven down because you have to get it heated before you put your chicken. Okay, so this is almost done, like, but not complete because I need to put other ingredients. But before that, I need to first put it in my foil paper. Then, so this is our baking pan for our chicken. There we go. I'm just gonna put it here, there, get my foil paper, just open it a bit like this, big one, like this. Okay, so it's here. Now the next step is to put our our lemon juice, just a bit. Then now we'll add our apple cider or vinegar, just a little. Just make sure you mix them. Just mix. Gotta mix. Can't afford. Then lastly is just a little olive oil. Yeah, this will just give you some grace and some texture. We are done. So yeah, we are done. Let's wrap. So we will just take this right straight into the oven. All right, so while we are waiting for our dish to be ready, I would just love to say this. Do not let this lockdown get to you, okay? I know the pressure is too much. It's becoming so uncomfortable. Everyone is so not really finding it funny anymore. But please, I just want you to understand that this lockdown is not the lock of someone's life. All right, our life is still in the hands of God, and God is still able, and He will still do whatever He wants to do in our life. So we should just keep faith this period and trust God that it's going to be better. Okay, trust God that everything is going to come to an end. But I strongly believe that after this lockdown, the whole world is going to be so different. a lot of people will begin to understand the reality of life, like what really matters to them. I feel this lockdown is like a time of reflection where we get to just sit by ourselves, talk to ourselves, think about what is important to us, and try to amend ways that we have, faulted. But and I also believe that it's also an avenue where we can improve in our spirituality, especially with God. Okay, it's a time where we need to get close to God. We need to understand the true meaning and purpose of why we are on earth. We just let us understand something, that if you look at what is happening right now, you will discover that everyone is like, oh, what is going on? Everyone is panicking and all that. What is happening right now? It's like an eye opener to everyone to know what really is important. And for me, I've come to realize what is important for me. For me, it's my family, my health, and my spirituality. I don't know about you, but you just sit down and think through what is important to you. You discover that all the things that we are all dragging, all the things that we are all hustling, every morning we are going, go to work and try to fix things. Discover that all of them, it's not even as important as we think. Now it is so obvious that we are now seeing what really, really is important. And I just want to pray for all others who are out there who have been infected with this virus. I pray and I believe that by the grace of God, you will get recovered in the name of Jesus. You're not going to die. My God says that He's going to give us life in abundance. Your life is in abundance. You're not going to die. This too is going to pass, and I trust God for your healing in Jesus' name. So, guys, let's just check back to our kitchen and what is happening to our chicken. Oh, this is then hard, guys. This is really hard. Yo, so yeah, our chicken is quite ready. Let's see. Wow, this really smells nice. Yo, this is exactly how I vision this chicken to come out. So you just have to just check if it's ready. Yes, as you can see, guys. Okay, now just have to teach them out. Don't forget, it's so hot. You have to be careful. Teach them to my. Yo. So this is what we have. Yes, our chicken is super ready. Wow. So we are done with our baked chicken, as you can see here. Done and dusted. So guys, you can serve it with whatever you like, maybe a veggie or hot sauce or juice, whatever that makes you happy. You can serve your baked chicken with it. So for me today, I've chosen to serve mine with hot sauce. So however, you cannot know if your dish is delicious without someone having to taste it for you, right? So today I'm going to be having my friend Ashley, so she'll be the one to test my baked chicken for me to know if it is nice, awesome, or fantastic. So let's go. So guys, we're going to Ashley's house right now. Because of the quarantine, everyone is locked down and they're all scared. So I'm going to her room. Don't know if she's around, but let's just try. She's gonna test my meal. Oh, there you go. So guys, I'm in Ashley's house, right? I said earlier. So Ashley, please try my meal. It's just chicken. So let's see.
I don't have to eat all of it, right?
Oh, it's fine. Just taste. And tell us what you think.
Lots of flavor. Really good.
Okay.
And I like the bite that it has to it.
Wow. Wow. Thank you.
Really,
Thank you.
really good.
Wow. Ashley said it's nice, God. So you gotta try it for yourself. So let me try mine. So guys, thank you for watching. If you found this video interesting, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you. Better bake your chicken and have fun.